this video we will show how we create a hierarchy of sub-question and hierarchy of skip questions. The form we use is the person form that was created in the initial form builder tutorial. So we have the select question gender, and it's either female or male, and if the person is female, if you select female option, then under the option we have the further Boolean question, have given birth, and if that is yes, then it has the further sub-question, had complications during birth. And then if you select again that yes, we can add whatever fields we have under it. So this hierarchy can be as deep as you want. The restriction of the sub-question approach is that a hierarchy can only be based on explicit choices, single choice, Boolean, or multiple choice questions. If you want to use something else as the criteria for choosing, then we need to use skip questions. As an example, we want to compute the body mass, compute whether the person is obese or not. So we have the float here for weight, as reference name weight. We have the height, the reference name height, and when you compute the body mass index, which is then as the reference BMI is and is underscore weight, we always refer to the values of other fields by referring to the reference name with the underscore in front of it. So underscore weight divided by underscore height times underscore height. So now we have the body mass index. We can test whether it's bigger than, larger than 30. If it's yes, then we show with the label field obese. If it's no, we go under the no branch, and here we have whether BMI is larger than 25, in case we show with the label field the value overweight. And if it's not, then we can test whether the person is underweight, BMI is less than 18.5, in case we show the underweight, and then otherwise we show the string normal. So now we show how this logic that we earlier created works in practice. So here we have the gender, female, we have the arrow here. We open it up, we see have given birth, we click on yes, and then we get the further question, yes, and so on. And then we could add a whole number here, or whatever text. And we can hide these, and therefore they are kind of visually inside each other here also, the sub-question hierarchy. Now for the skip questions, we have here weight 60, height 1.7, body mass is 20.7, so the weight is normal. It now create here, define weight as 80, then it's overweight, and if we define weight as 100, it's obese, and if we define the weight as 40, it's underweight here. And this is visually not the hierarchy, but is simply showing the skip question results based on the value of the body mass index.